Hey guys, it's a cool, cloudy Saturday here, and
Quite
Marina
cold.
and I are going to finally fit. If you spin your camera around, Marina, that ridge piece or
I think it's the
cube
last one.
in Portuguese. Yeah, there's
Yeah.
two. We've got to get that onto the apex of the roof above the scaffolding. It's all set up.
Yeah.
The trouble with this material is it's very flimsy. It's very
Yeah.
easy to dent.
Mhm.
So it's a learning curve for us. Anyway, I'm going to get our Satsumas are nearly ready. Look in there,
Oh, nice.
and I'm going to get one to get us going. Let's have a look. Let's take
Breakfast.
well
Well, breakfast. No.
lunch. There you go.
Early lunch.
Now they're only small, but they're sweet.
Very sweet.
So let's have a look at this coombe. I'll show you something interesting about them if anyone's interested in this material.
It's really, yeah, flimsy, and it gets lots of crease on it.
It's only
Also,
about
How much?
0.8 of a millimeter thick.
Yeah.
So it's incredibly thin, and you can warp it and distort it.
Yeah.
So we
gets
have to pick it
distorted
up
very easy.
from about a meter from each end.
Yeah.
But we'll manage.
Well, we did already get a few dents in it,
Yeah.
but it'll be all right.
Of course, you won't see them once it's up.
Yeah.
We can see that it's going to rain later on today.
Yeah,
so
we have to get it
we've got to
going.
get on with it.
When in the morning was a bit, we could have done, but the roof was wet, and it'll be very slippery because Lawrence has to go up there.
You can
And
give
so,
a rescue dog update.
oh yeah, there you go.
Here she is.
Ugly as sin. I'm sorry, Lily, but we love you anyway. Look at that nose, always sniffing around and digging with the nose, and the paws are
Let me
disgusting. Look
explain
at that.
something. It was a big day for her yesterday. She had her rabies inoculation, and she also has finally been microchipped.
Microchip.
So now, obviously, it's the first
She's
time she's ever
officially
been microchipped. She's now
registered.
her name is Lily Piver Conroy, and she's
Yeah.
real. She really exists. Although, of course, she really exists. But the important
She has
thing
a
is,
passport.
it is the law that the dogs are chipped. Of course, not many are. If she goes missing again or disappears, we've got a good chance of getting her back.
And also we have to register in the Junta de Freguesia.
Yeah, you have to
is a
register
requirement.
dogs with the parish council.
Yeah.
And that's one of the reasons for that is, again, if they get missing, people know who the dog belongs to.
Yeah.
And the local council will come around and do a campaign of vaccinations against rabies, which is
They
very
do
rare.
it every year.
But it does exist. It's very rare. And they'll know that she's
Yeah.
currently in
Yeah.
force. Like as Marina said earlier,
look at that,
we've also
so
got
cute.
a European pet passport for her. So hopefully she can come
can
on our
travel.
travels when we go to visit our family in the UK. You'll be coming with us, won't you?
Yeah.
And
She has a passport
you've
and
got two
ready
sisters there to meet you. One Spanish, one Portuguese. I suppose the Spanish one is Spanish. As your cousin. Anyway, we'll get on with some work now,
to. Yeah.
and we'll try and show you how
I'll
we're
show-
getting on
yeah.
with the job.
Okay.
Okay, bye. So here we are on top of the flat roof garage. Hi, Marina.
Hello.
We managed to get the ridge up to the ridge of the roof without bending it. It's very,
Feely.
yeah, it's so fragile. What we're trying to do now is set it so there's a little bit of an overlap at the front, because I'll need to fold in the corners. Likewise with this gable end detail here, has to be folded over. We're not folding it over until we fitted the coombe on the top, the ridge, because otherwise the water will run down and remain trapped. So Marina is showing a head for heights. We used the blankets to gently push and pull the ridge up there. Now it's not going to come down, which is a relief. Anyway, we'll get on with it and film some progress later on. Lily is entertaining herself. So we got the ridge piece up with not too many mishaps, a couple of dents, but it's okay. We cut out the indent so that the ridge sits on the ridge, now it's simple enough for anyone who's ever done any riveting. It's not rocket science. We drill a hole like so. Get one of these small blind rivets. I've got a pocket full here, like that. Put it in. Use the rivet
Clean
gun,
the metal bit.
and then you squeeze, and that's it. Just snaps off. You drop out the remainder, and so that's a nice join. So I'll do another one. Got lots to do, but we're getting there now. It's good because the roof is becoming damp and slippery. Different size rivets, but we're using the small one. I've got a pocket full of rubbish here and I can't find the right one because I don't want any bits of metal lying around.
Yeah.
You can do it like this, you see, put it in there,
Yeah.
and then find the hole. That's it. You do it until it snaps. There we go. Easy.
Right.
Yeah. Project to make a workbench along this wall. And what we also did was, this used to be a window. This was the original garage, and so this was the outside wall. That's why there's two little windows. Took one window out. It's down there, and made it into a door so we can access the other garage without going outside. And then I've been making a bit over the top, but a workbench which is going to be 5 meters long here, and then it'll continue in an L shape here, another few meters. We're going to use OSB as a work surface, 18mm, probably double to 36. And so I want to build something really strong because I want to put a vise on here and some power tools, a chop saw, a table saw, things like that. So I want it to be heavy duty. It's probably a little bit over the top, but there's nothing worse than building something and the table's moving, like that one. Okay.
Right. And Lily is an observant. What do you call?
Lily likes
Checkpoint.
this is how I rest with the dog.
She sits there, checking on Lawrence. The whole time he's working.
She only
just
goes to this point because this is like a magic carpet. It's safe in the garage. She is scared of the wheelbarrow for some reason, aren't you?
Oh, a good girl. Okay, it's that's it for now.
It's nice land, isn't it? So we're just exploring land near our house. It's very beautiful. It's a bit abandoned.
Not totally.
It's Sunday morning and the hunters are around, and Marina looks like a hunter in the camo. I can hear another stream. Yeah, water everywhere.
Wow, I can hear. Sounds like a river.
Yeah, I think it's the river that flows past the houses down below us, you know, the house that was for sale.
Yeah. Ooh. I don't think there is a way across.
Well, let's have a look at, see if we can see the stream,
Yeah.
at least. Parish Manor.
But they can drive a tractor here, don't they?
Someone has been, yeah. Look, that's the first olive tree I've seen,
Where is it?
to the right.
Oh,
Oh, what a lovely piece of land.
nice.
There's the Casadora, the hunter, Lily, security detail. What do you have to say about it, Lily? Hmm? Hmm? What's your opinion? It's good, isn't it? Exploring abandoned land. Well, it's not that abandoned. The cow's coming here and somebody is looking after it.
Someone was here with a tractor.
Yeah. Well, we're trespassing, but I don't think anyone minds. Let's have a look at this river. Of course, in the summer, these streams don't flow so much.
Wow, it's a big waterfall.
That looks like a track there.
Ah, they've been here cleaning.
Yeah.
You're not going up, really. That's interesting, isn't it?
There's a path over there, yes. What's your opinion of this land? You like?
Very nice. Bit wild.
Yeah. Difficult land to farm, but they used to, the previous, well, somebody still is.
And
I think,
crows come.
yeah. This is Luna, our neighbour. And that's Lily, security detail.
Anda. Anda. Anda.
Hello.
Anda. You silly bugger.
Bye, Luna. Ciao. Oh, it is starting to rain. Come si dice, commence a shovel. Lead the way home, Lily.
We will.
You found a nice place to shelter, Lily. Is there room for two in there? Still raining. There.